here's the video interior. Take it pretty slow. So this is going down. Gives you a really nice layout.
Oh, I see. Yeah. Oh, interesting.
These are for fans. Make sure I got that shut so it doesn't get damaged. Ooh, we're rolling down the street. I don't know if you can tell. That line's gonna have to be fixed. So there's supposed to be a catch on that drawer. It's not working. So these are all cabinets. It smells really nice in here. It does not smell musty at all. DVD player. I've replaced it with a flat screen video. Storage underneath. Said these are the closets. Lights automatically turn on when you open the door. Alright. Toilet. Lights. Could replace that. Definitely dated. Countertops, nice. All the brass could go. I mean, we could definitely get rid of that. Light switches here.
Over the last. Doesn't have any gallons of fuel you use. You can zero it all out. That's essentially like the trip gauge. Like, yeah, like the semi would have. Yeah.
Okay, we're going over railroad tracks now, so